For this activity, we need one painted diya, few paper cuttings, one paint bottle, an earbud, and few decorative items for decoration as per your choice. Let's start by pasting studs at the edges. Complete the whole circle with studs. It will look like this. Now start pasting the paper cuttings. You can leave this if you don't have it. You can paste something else. Keep the diya upside down and start pasting the paper cuttings at the edges. Now I have pasted paper cuttings and now I am pasting stars. You can also use bindis if you have. Now our diya is ready from outside, so let us decorate from inside as well. Now take water paint and an earbud and start printing like this. You can make random dots. Now our diya is ready. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.